This project actually was presented as a problem. It's a practical problem. Our students were faced with actually coming to determine how to use technology within education. But there are lots of different technologies that are being explored, they're being presented each and every day. New ones are coming out, ones are being added and also adapted in a certain way and changed. And so we wanted them to get a really good understanding of the different types of technologies that are there, but not be overwhelmed by it. How could you find them? How can you use them? And those type of things. So we decided to tackle this problem by creating a repository so that we would investigate various technologies, look at them from an educational standpoint, how we could use them in certain ways so that technology could help and enhance in education, and also put them in a way in which people could access them and compare and pick the ones so they're in a way so that they could strategically select the ones that work best for them. And so we came up with the idea that we would create this wiki repository. So on a wiki, we have had individuals that are broken up into teams, and these different teams focus on specific Web 2.0 technologies and create chapters for this repository that people can access, can look at, can compare, and determine how they want to use the various technologies in their own teaching or in their own learning environment, whether it's in business and industry or whatever it's for. This project involves a number of different individuals. We have a large class here at Purdue University that is basically make up most of the members of the project. These are undergraduate individuals, generally at the freshman and sophomore level, so they're pretty new to the university setting, who are pre-service teachers. These are individuals who are studying to become teachers, or they're planning on becoming teachers. So this is the educational view of it. It's a large group, so we generally have 30 or 40 teams of 7 members each from this Purdue contingency, if you will. Added on to that, we go out throughout the world and try to find individuals who would also like to join these teams. These individuals come from various universities around the world, and they join in, and we add 3 to 5 other individuals from these other universities to each of our teams. So our teams then consists of 7 or 8 Purdue students and 3 to 5 additional students from around the world. And we've had students from Taiwan and from Korea, from China, from Australia, from England, from soon to be from Sweden, from Turkey, from various locations, and more are being added all the time. When you go into the wiki repository, you're going to find a number of things. One of those things that is very important is that you'll start to see the different types of technologies that we have. So it'll be like categories. So you'll have the photo editing types of Web 2.0 technologies, or the social networking type of technologies. So you can go into any of those types and you can see the various different types of specific Web 2.0 technologies that are there. And then once you get into any individual ones, you just click on it and it opens up the chapter. You'll see at the very top of that the logo for that type of technology, and then also a purpose. What is it used for? So in a very few sentences you can ascertain what its value is, what it's being used for, and how it's being used. And then under that there's some type of history that explains why it was developed, who the developers were, and some of those kind of things, and it's briefly introduced in there and at that point. And then also you go from there into how it's actually used. All the different steps involved, if there are a number of steps, how you can access it, links to the actual technology so that you can sign up for it if you want to do that, some type of videos that help you walk through and show you through various graphics and other means of how you would do it and how it could be actually used. Following that, then we started to get into the educational applications of it. So there will be lesson plans for the lower elementary, the middle elementary, and also into the high school and college level, how that technology can be integrated through various topics. So whether it's science or math, or it's some type of reading, or whatever it is, the topic area, we've got various lesson plans that illustrate that. And also we've included business and industry and how they can be used in the various types of training. So we've got those type of things. And then there's also a perspective that we give from the international. How can it be used in an international setting? Many of our international students contribute to that, or at least they edit that version to show you how it's being used in their country and some of the various ways. Hopefully then that will give you a broader perspective of how it's being used globally.